not be needed through tonight. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of Central Banks, East Central Hall, and northwestern Jackson counties through 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was over Maysville, or near Homer, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, up to 40 miles per hour wind, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning and heavy rain. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect minor damage to tree limbs and blowing around of light, unsecured objects. Heavy rain may cause temporary street flooding, especially in poor drainage areas. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Commerce, Homer, Lula, Maysville, Gillsville, Townlow, and Banks Crossing. People outdoors should seek shelter immediately. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Motorists should slow down and be prepared for possible loss of control due to hydroplaning. Here is